My theme is proud to be an Indian. I am a student of spoken English by Sambhav Jain. So let's start this topic by introduce. We celebrate 77th Republic Day of India, and they also known as Constitution Day because our Constitution implement on this day. So let's start this topic. So I am proud to be an Indian because I live in a independent nation who is never depend on another nation, and always be calm, always be careful, and always be honest to every person, every country's person. And just like in India, we spoke 22 languages all across the India, just like, and every state has own culture, has own tradition to tell. And just like in India, the music, the vibes are very colorful because India's people are very calm, positive, and never be arrogant. So I want to conclude this topic now. Thank you. Hope you like it.